Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. You have iodobenzene and alkyne attached with alcohol. You reacting with palladium phosphide and copper iodide and amine and heating it up. Then you are reacting with lithium aluminium hydride. You have to find the final product. Here the answer is coupling reaction. First step, you are removing acidic hydrogen by the just metallation. Metal replace the acidic hydrogen. Then you have coupling with copper. So what really happened? You have new CC bond with terminal alkyne. So new CC bond forms. Next you are having lithium aluminium hydride. Lithium aluminium hydride reduce the alkyne here. By looking at it, it's impossible, but it is possible because of anchoring OH group. The OH group anchors the metal and help for the reduction of the alkyne to alkene. The reduction happened in the cyclic and transpiration way. It formed 5-member trans state. So the final product is trans alcohol here. So it's a stereo-specific reduction. Here the concept you have to learn here is alkyne with alcoholic group can undergo stereo-specific reduction. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.